welcome back. It is Wednesday morning. I just got myself ready for the day and I'm about to make some breakfast. But before, I have to show you something. This is my advent calendar this year. Maybe you can tell from the design, it is a beautiful advent calendar from Diptyque, a brand that I genuinely love. So I already have many candles and also perfumes at home from them, even a car perfume. So I'm more than excited to have this calendar this year. So let's open today's door together. So let's open this beauty up. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has those beautiful golden details here. I think the design is really nice. And it folds up like this. And then you can also open up like this. So you have like 3 sections. And yeah, for me as an Austrian, it's quite unusual that we have 25 doors or 25 boxes in here because we used to celebrate Christmas on the 24th. So it's extra nice because there is an additional gift for me this year. Let's look for the 8th door. It's right here. It's a big one. Let's see what's inside. So we have here a little mini version of the Dawson perfume. Let's open it. So it's a 10 milliliter version, and I think that's just perfect to put into your handbag for on the go if you need a little fresh up. Smells very floral. Not sure if I would buy it myself because I'm not the biggest fan of too flowery perfumes, but it's definitely not a bad one. Let me show you what else was in the calendar so far. So in the first door we had a tiny little cute mini candle with the scent of roses. Very good. I love it. It's perfect for spring actually, so I think it's not that Christmassy, but still the smell is very good. So I really enjoy that one. In the second door we had another mini candle, which is Ombre. It's a very warm and woody scent, complemented with patchouli, vetiver and tonka bean. So it's kind of spicy, and I really love these kinds of scents. I think they're super Christmassy, they're perfect for winter, very warm, very good. I think this is among my favorites. Behind the third door there was hidden another 10 milliliter perfume, which is Tam Dao, and this is definitely one of my favorites. I already have it in a regular size and I love to use it in winter because it's also a very warm and spicy scent, including sandalwood, cedar, cypress and myrtle. So it's a very rich scent, but I think it's not too heavy. It's a really nice balance and I really enjoy to wear that. I think it's also a scent that goes for women as well as men. I really recommend that one. Then we have a cute little mini version of the Pomade Exfoliant pour le Corps. So that's an exfoliating body balm. Looks like a peeling cream, and according to the website it smells like pomegranate. Couldn't tell that it's pomegranate actually, but it indeed smells very good, so I'm curious to try that out because I never had a peeling from Diptyque before. Then we have some Christmas ornaments. So these are little golden metal plates with a Diptyque branded black band on top, and I think you are supposed to break them up a little bit so that they get a more 3D look when they turn in the light. I think it looks very beautiful. Then yeah, it's the 8th of December, so I have 2 more things to show you. Again, we have 2 mini candles, but I don't mind at all because I'm totally obsessed with the Diptyque candles, no matter which size. I mean, these are super cute and perfect to try out. So that's why I really enjoy the calendar, because of course I have some favorites like the base candle or also the biscuit one that I showed you in my last video, which is absolutely amazing. So here we have Pomander. It is also a very wintry scent, including candied citrus peel, orange and clove. So it's very Christmassy and it smells very good. I think it also smells a little bit like cinnamon, but definitely something I can recommend. This is also one of my new favorites, I have to say. It's really nice. And then we have this one here, which is called Schwazia or Joysia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it correctly, but it is the botanical name for Mexican orange blossom. So this is a scent that smells a little bit more fresh, so it's not that heavy and not that spicy wintry, so you could definitely use it as well in spring. And it's very nice. So I'm super happy with the calendar so far. I already wanted to have one last year, but they are sold out super quick. This year I got it gifted from a family member and I am super happy with the calendar. If you want to get one as well, I know that you have to be super quick because I tried to get one last year already, but they were sold out very fast. So if you want to try it out next year, keep an eye on the Diptyque website in November already. Well, I don't even know when they launched it, but yeah, inform yourself upfront because they are very popular and I think they're also worth it. Talking about the calendar topic, I'm pretty sure you've all seen what's going on social media currently. Yes, I'm talking about the Chanel advent calendar, which has been roasted as hell. It all started with TikTok creator Elise Harmon being super disappointed about the content of the calendar, which is totally understandable because it doesn't really contain lots of worthy products. The thing the community probably loved the most about are the stickers that are apparently not only once hidden behind one of the luxurious calendar doors of Chanel, but several times. And this is, yeah, I can understand that if you're an adult that is able to get such an expensive calendar, then you get stickers, you feel a little bit disappointed. I don't know. I don't find a word for that. So generally the Chanel calendar consists of many freebies that you would get anyways when you buy something at the Chanel store, as well as beauty products that you can also get at every Chanel beauty counter. So it doesn't really include anything special, anything limited or anything that you would actually like to get. So yeah, really it doesn't include anything special, and of course that's disappointing if you pay 700 euros for an oversized white paper perfume bottle that obviously shall pay tribute to the 100th birthday of the number 5 perfume. It's overpriced. It doesn't include any worthy products, so I think we can all understand Elise's disappointment. To be honest, I would never get myself such an expensive advent calendar because most of the time an advent calendar always includes something that you wouldn't buy yourself if it wasn't in the calendar. So I think no advent calendar would meet your taste 100%. Except for the Diptyque one. This one is really good so far, as I said, but yeah, I am a huge Diptyque fan and I almost like all of them products. So my Diptyque calendar was gifted to me from a family member and it is also a very expensive calendar, but here you get at least some products that are actually worth it, products where you pay a good amount for, even if you get them in the store, like the mini candles. I sell them as sets and free. And I also gifted that already to friends last year, so I think it is definitely worth it. It's a beautiful design, and besides the design you also get something for your money. Yeah, if you're a candle lover and if you love the perfumes from Diptyque, it is worth it in my opinion. I've also seen the Dior advent calendar a lot on social media, which is also another high-end beauty calendar. But I think this one is still better than the Chanel one because it is a fraction of the price. Not the half of it, a little bit more than that, but definitely less expensive than the Chanel one. But yeah, this one also includes real beauty products and not only stickers or paper goods or freebie stuff. So I think you also get a normal sized candle from Dior, which is very expensive if you would buy it in store. I think it's about 190 euros. So yeah, definitely also better than the Chanel one. But yeah, I mean, that's luxury. I think you pay for the experience and for the design, and of course for the brand. So it's up to you to decide if this is something that is worth it for you. But it has definitely been fun to watch what was going on social media in the past days. And yeah, you still see the comments coming up under each and every Chanel post they publish on their Instagram account. And I think they even deactivated their TikTok, or at least they made it private. So yeah, it's a fail, but of course they will survive it. They should take it with humor, and I think also that's something luxury is about. I mean, we all know that paying hundreds of euros for an advent calendar is nothing irrational. Anyways, I'm getting very hungry now, so it's definitely time to make some breakfast. I am planning to make a very Christmassy version of a porridge with some gingerbread spice. It's absolutely delicious and you have to try it out. I'll take you with me to the kitchen and show you how I make it. voila, this is my breakfast. So I'm having a porridge with gingerbread spice, so good, you have to try that. And then I topped it off with some honey caramelized pear and plums, cut off some fresh orange, pecan nuts, walnuts, and I sprinkled some coconut flakes on top. And of course I'm having a nice and warm cup of coffee aside. Bon appetit! I'm going to post you the recipe in the description box of this video. You definitely have to try it, it's so good. I am ready to leave the house. Today the plan is to bake some Christmas cookies, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I'm wearing. So I threw on this black fake leather coat from Naked. Below I'm wearing a cozy camel cashmere knit, and of course I combined my new YSL bag in this beautiful caramel color. And for the shoes, I went for my mango leather boots. I love the shape of them. I don't know if you can see, but they have a little bit of a square shape. And yeah, that's today's look. Off we go. Christmas cookies in the making. We have some super fancy Chanel cookie cutters. All on brand this year. It is Sunday, and today I have a little do-it-yourself session planned because I wanted to gift something more personal and handmade to my loved ones this year. So I ordered spontaneously a candle set with some soy wax, some candle wicks, and some more stuff that I will show you in detail then. And yeah, the plan is to create some handmade scented candles with some gingerbread spice in there. Yeah, I've never done that before, so we'll see how this will turn out. I ordered a do-it-yourself set from Amazon, including some soy wax, some wicks in different lengths, and some stickers to stabilize the wicks on the bottom of the glass, as well as these metal things here to also stabilize the wicks so it won't move when you pour the wax into the jar. And then I have different glasses. So here I have some transparent IKEA glasses. I really like the size of these ones. They're not too big and not too small. And then I also got some milky ones, smaller mini candle glasses from Amazon. So yeah, I think we'll try it out with these 6 now, see how it turns out, and if it goes well, then I will create some more. So I fixed the candle wicks on the bottom of the glasses, but I only have 2 of these stabilizing metals, so I hope that the wicks of the other candles won't move. So we're now melting the wax. Status update. I managed to pour the first 4 candles. I didn't melt enough soy wax to finish the other 2. So we have now 3 mini candles and 1 bigger one. But I love the color. The gingerbread spice gave them a really beautiful deep brown shade. And I think, yeah, it looks a little bit different. It's not white. And I actually really love the tone. And yeah, for stabilizing, as said, I only had 2 of those metal thingies, so I just took some normal wooden sticks and they're totally sufficient. So candle wicks are in the middle of the candle and I hope they stay there. So now we have to wait until the candles cool down and then we can have a look at the end result and design the labels for them. think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode and our little do-it-yourself session. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would appreciate your support because I just recently started my channel. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!